Hi, it's Anne Louise with Christensen Music. Today is August 14th, 2020. And today we're going to work on something called a walking bass line. We're going to show you how to do a walk up or walk down from one chord to the other chord. And we're going to talk about a 2-beat feel. And then I'm going to show you how to do some approach notes to give you some arsenal in your bag of tricks for playing jazz, kind of simple jazzy stuff. So first of all, I'm going to switch my screen and I'm going to go on my piano. Okay, so the tune we're going to work on is All of Me. I'm going to do it through that song. The idea of walking your bass is you want to have a very heavy, really simple, they're quarter notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And what you're going to do is you're going to play the chord tones of the chord you're on. Okay, so if you're on a C chord, it would be C, E, G, E. I'm going back to E because I need 4 notes. Okay, so if I played this, we're doing this on All of Me, right? So I've got C. My next chord is E. And then A. Now what did I do there? I went down. But again, I'm outlining my A chord. A, C sharp, E, G, A. But I went down because I want to keep it in the bass. This is called the bass line. We want to keep it in the bass. Up here, it's not bassy. If I went, that's not going to sound bassy. We have the bass line nice and heavy, not bouncy, but legato, because we want it to hold down. It's like holding down the bottom of the song. Okay, it's on the bottom of the song and you want it to be really solid. I think I did a walk up. Right here, we're gonna walk up. So again, there are always 4 notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, we walked up. So instead of jumping, I'm going from A to D minor. I'm going to walk up. 1, 2, 3, 4. What do you think that's called? That's called a walk down. Okay, so that's your walking bass line. Another feel, it's called a 2-beat feel, and it's a 2-beat feel because you feel 2 beats. You feel it sounds like this. And what I'm doing it's a bass line again. It's in your left hand, and I'm altering between the tonic of the chord. If it's a C chord, I'm altering between the tonic, which is C, and the dominant, the fifth. So the 1 of the chord and the 5th of the chord. So I'm playing like this. So I'm just playing 2 notes. Walk up. So what you could do is you could start a song like All of Me, start it with a 2-beat feel. So do the whole song like that. And then the second time you go through it, and then walk the bass, right? It's still the same tempo, but it feels a little faster, more energetic, because now we're hitting 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, instead of just 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, and then the last thing I want to show you is once you've played through the song, you cover the melody, then the second time you go through it, this is an exercise in, people are always saying, well, how do I improvise? Well, these are called approach notes. And an approach note is if you have a chord, because improvisation is all about, using your chord tones and scales. And so if I have this is my chord, C, E, G. So an approach note, if I approach it from, it's just 1/2 a step coming from below, going to the note in the chord. So in other words, if these are my notes, C, E, and G, I'm going to play B to C, and then E flat to E, and then G flat to G. That's a nice little run there. Something like that. I just made that up. But you have to practice that, right? So it's might as well practice it in a song. So if your song is All of Me, use the chords in All of Me, okay? And what you're going to practice are those approach notes on the chords that you're playing in that song. So let me demonstrate. These are the chords for All of Me. E, A, I messed up. D, and then E again. A, D, D minor, G, E, A, D. So you can kind of play around with that a little bit. But the exercise really is figuring out just playing that all the way up the key, right? E. Okay, so I'm going to play the song once, and please put in your comments if you have any questions, and I will try and answer them. Okay, here's my song. This is your 2-beat feel. Now I'm going to walk it. Something like that. Alrighty. I hope that helps. It's kind of rough today, but please leave your comments and I'll see if I can respond. Thank you and have a great day.